It's not that you don't know, it's what you only know. The only thing I knew was arresting people and putting them in jail. I didn't know about treatment. I didn't know about any type of assistance that I could receive. I didn't know what was out there, and I didn't ask. I figured it wasn't my job to make those decisions. It wasn't my job to treat somebody.
You know, it's notorious for felons to have a harder time in society. That's why you see habitual criminals. They get in jail, they get out of jail. They get in jail, they get out of jail for the same things most of the time. The problem is it's not a solution. I like to think of it as if you keep putting wood in a fire and you keep stoking it, it's going to stay lit. Why are we doing that when we can stop putting wood in the fire and we can assist these people?
So LEAD is, in the very basic sense, it's a pre-booking diversion program. We basically divert low-level drug offenders directly into treatment. We bypass the criminal justice system altogether, place these individuals directly in wraparound services.
Allows the officers kind of focus more on public safety as opposed to just, you know, arrest, booking, that kind of same old thing for these people that really are not your violent offenders or your major offenders that you really want to devote the time for the cases. Same thing for the DAs and the courts. You know, they're already overwhelmed. So what's nice about LEAD is it doesn't use that same system. It bypasses that system to get people immediately into help without having to go through a court system.
So we have somebody come in at one point and she's wanting this, she reaches that, and maybe that's maintaining an apartment, being able to do that. Not necessarily not using drugs anymore, but she's able to get off the street. And once that happens, maybe she can start addressing her drug use. But with that, she can start addressing all these other issues in his or her life that contribute to her drug use behavior that makes it problematic.
And it's survival. It's not because they want to break into people's house all the time. They just need to survive. A lot of the people that we see that have drug problems have children. You know, the question that we need to ask ourselves is, what would I do for my kid? I'd break into a house if I had to.
LEAD, I mean, is one of those programs, or the only program that I've ever heard of that shows any sense of promise with regard to systemic issues involving drug addiction. Harm reduction philosophies, criminal justice philosophies, crime reduction, you know, system savings, overall system savings to treat drug addiction. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. This is just one of those programs that encompasses everything. It's a dream program. It encompasses everything that a law enforcement agency is asking for.